Welcome back to the second part of the immunity series. We are designed to eat and sleep. Other than these, whatever we do today, our industrial world has spoiled us, taking us away from nature. Hence, both the eating time and the sleeping time is largely ignored, and this is where the problem started. At the end of the 19th century, mankind was introduced to the clock as means to know the time. The knowledge of the natural cycles of day and night and the changes in the positions of moon and stars were gradually discarded as no longer important to the modern man. The clock had successfully replaced the profound knowledge that most people once possessed about these natural cosmic events and their effects on all life forms on earth. Today, however, renewed interest in discovering our relationship to the solar and lunar cycles has resurfaced. The biological clock or the circadian rhythm prompts us to become active in the morning and wind down in the evening. The sun and the moon are the main giver of life on the planet. All life forms require sunlight or sun energy for their existence, and so do all human beings. These rhythmic, repetitive patterns of forces in nature, in return, program our DNA to conduct all physical activities with perfect precision. It is estimated that over 1,000 of these biological clocks operate and control the human body. Normal menstrual cycles repeating themselves every 28 days is an example of the biological clock that our body follows. In the last series, we spoke about the sleeping on time to improve immunity. Now let us explore the relationship between habits and immunity. Around 9 pm, the body's level of immunity begins to decrease and gradually stops functioning, indicated by a sudden drop in endorphins and corticosteroids, the body's weapons against inflammation. The body, by switching off the immune system, tries to save as much energy and as many physical resources as possible to clean the immune system of the toxins accumulated throughout the day. This process is done by liver, and the liver takes charge of the body after 9 pm. The body has time until dawn to clean this immune system and all other organs, and it's a kind of a race against time. During this time, the energy is mostly used for cleansing, rebuilding, and rejuvenating the body by the liver, performing over 500 different functions. These include the supply of vital nutrients and energy to all parts of the body, the breaking down of the toxic substances, and the cleansing of the blood. If you have the habits of eating or staying awake at or beyond 9 pm, you use up the liver's time by forcing it to digest food or by engaging in mental or physical activities. And so, much less energy is available for cleaning of the immune system, and hence immunity is weakened. Once the cleaning of the immune system is done, elimination phase starts, and this is done between 2 to 6 am. The body clears all its toxins and waste from the system. This early morning cycle is responsible for moving the body's waste products from the liver, the cells, the intestine, and all other areas of the body towards the organs of detoxification and elimination. Accordingly, the lymphatic system neutralizes harmful microbes, metabolic waste, cellular debris. The rectum solidifies fecal matter and prompts the emptying of the bowel. The kidneys pass urine to the bladder, which causes urination. The skin also receives waste products that begin to surface at this time. The entire body is geared towards the excretion of useless waste material. About 70% of the body's waste is eliminated through the lungs, 20% through the skin, 7% through the urine, and 3% through feces. The body temperature begins to drop and reaches its lowest point at about 4 am. After that, it gradually rises again. When nature begins to become more active, both body temperature and stress hormone levels such as adrenaline and cortisol will be sufficiently high to jumpstart the day with a thorough clean out. To support complete and efficient waste removal, the body needs to be awake and in a vertical position. Gravity plays an important role in the body's circulatory and eliminative functions. The immune system will be waiting for us to wake up before sunrise to work, and if you have the habit of waking late, then do not expect your immunity to be strong. Hence, going to sleep early in the night and rising early in the morning is one of the most important health recommendations to improve your immunity. When you catch a cold, try not to blame the virus. True reason being your irregular sleeping habits or eating late or lot of junk foods are the reasons behind the cold. Simply by adjusting your daily routine to the timing of natural law will establish the most essential preconditions for healing, health and happiness. The message here is to get about 8 hours of regular sleep starting before 9 pm without any artificial lighting around you. In addition, get regular exposure of sunlight without use of sunglasses and sun lotions. Both constitute some of the most effective ways to make your immune system strong.